Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending from which part of the world you're tuning from. Welcome to this week's Cook with Gerard. Today we'll prepare some special rice. Which is called Ghana Jollof rice. Let's see how it will turn out. So we'll start with the onions. So I already chopped them into pieces, and then I'll just continue to chop them. So the first step is onions. Okay, so and now we'll put the onions in the pot, which already has oil in it. Okay, so now this is the onions that we already chopped into pieces, and now we'll put it in the oil. Okay, and then we'll let the onions cook, prepare themselves for a couple some minutes. Okay, so the next step is as the onions is cooking in the oil, and now we'll do the garlic and then ginger. So as you can see, I already peeled and chopped them into pieces. This is ginger, so we're gonna just chop a little bit some more into pieces. Yeah, this is the process of preparing that special jollof rice. Okay. Chop. Okay. So so this is ginger and garlic, and now we'll go and add it into the pot with the onions. So come with me. Okay, so as you can see that the onion, and now we'll add the ginger and garlic into the onions. Okay, and now we'll stir it. Okay, and then we'll also let it warm up or heat or cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, so the next step is as the onion, ginger, and garlic is cooking in the oil in the pot. So now we'll do tomato, and now this is red pepper. So red pepper. So I already cut it into pieces. Now I'll just cut it some more, and then yeah, we'll go and add it into the pot. Okay, just put some more, chop it into pieces. Okay, so this is the process. Continuing with the adventure. Okay, and this is the tomato. Okay, cut it into pieces. Okay, so I'll continue cutting into very small pieces, and then once it's ready, now we'll go and put it in the pot with the onions, ginger, and garlic, which is already in the pot. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, that is the onions, ginger, garlic in the oil in the pot, and now we'll add the tomato, and the red pepper. Okay, and now we'll stir it and then let it cook also for a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, things are taking shape. So this is just still the onions, tomato, ginger, garlic, and the red pepper, whatever they call it. So you just continue to crush it to make sure it's nice and smooth, and let it continue cooking for a few minutes more. Okay, so as that is the, again to remind you, is the onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, and the oil. And now we'll put also the crushed tomato. If you have the tomato sauce, you can also put that and use that. So I'll use this one. Okay, once that is done, and now you stir again, and then we let it again for a couple of minutes, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to take shape. So again, this is the onions, ginger, garlic, the hard tomato, and then the crushed tomato or tomato sauce if you have it, and the oil, and then yeah, see the sauce is coming along. So, and then yeah, stay tuned on the next edition. Okay, so the next additions to this delicious cooking will be the corned beef, or in other language or in other English is known as maize beef. So corn is also maize in another English. So yeah, we're gonna add the corned beef to this delicacy. Okay, so that's already the one canned beef already added, and now we'll add another one corned beef. Not canned beef. So corned beef, we'll add another one. Chick. Okay, awesome. So yeah, and now we'll grind it, pound it, and then yeah, stir it in the delicious delicacy that's already turning out. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Again, this is the beginning, was the oil, the onions, ginger, garlic, the hard tomato, and then the crushed tomato, tomato soup, tomato sauce if you have it, and then also the corned beef. Okay, so this is how it looks like already. Okay, so now we're gonna add the last addition, which is the rice, and then we'll also not forget salt. We'll add the rice, and then we add the salt, and then yeah, we'll let it continue preparing. Okay, so now it's time for the last addition, the main event, which is the rice, and then after that we will put some salt. Okay, and then we stir it. Okay, stir it. Okay, so and now we let it prepare, we let it cook for a few minutes. Okay, so now this is the salt. We'll add some salt to it. Okay. And after the salt, we just add some little bit of water in order to allow it to cook and be very, very well done and turn out delicious. Okay, let's see how it goes, and yeah, stay tuned for the final product. This is it. This is the process. Now let's see how it will turn out. Okay, so let's see how it's turning out to be. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, it's cooking, but as you can also see, the rice is not already ready, so we'll just stir it to make sure it's continue to cook very, very well, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, as you can see, yeah, the rice is not properly cooked yet, so we just stir it and mix it up to make sure, yeah, it's properly being cooked. Stay tuned. Okay, ready? Let's see how it's turning out to be. 1, 2, 3. Oh la la. Okay, think we're almost there. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we're almost there. I'm gonna just tie it again for a few more minutes, and then yeah, we'll come check out the final product here. But it looks like it's almost there. Okay, so I believe it's ready. Let's take a look together. 1, 2, 3. Oh la la. Yep, thing is good. So yeah, and this is the process of cooking some delicious jollof rice. Check out the process on the YouTube channel, Cook with Gerard, or link in bio. Oh wow, what beautiful looking, smelling, delicious rice. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. On this week is Cook with Gerard. We prepare some delicious jollof rice. To check out the video of process of preparing, go to YouTube channel Cook with Gerard, or link in the Instagram bio. Yeah, very delicious looking.